I've reviewed a lot of robot vacuums over this past year, from flagship models, mid-range options, and they all claim to have stronger suction, smarter navigation, and more automation. And honestly, after a while, a lot of them, they start to blend in together, and then every now and then one shows up and makes me stop and wonder how it would do, and not because of one single spec, but because of how many problems it's trying to solve at once. And that's why the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete caught my attention, and why I'm putting this one to the test. The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete is the Dreame's latest flagship robot vacuum and mop, and is designed to push past some of the usual robot vacuum limitations, things like low furniture clearance, missed dirt, tangled hair, and obstacles that stop most of the robots in their tracks. And on paper, it's aiming to be all-in-one hands-off cleaning system, but the question is whether it actually delivers in real homes, and that's what I'm here to find out. And what immediately stands out to me is the design choice, because Dreame made something different here. This is the thinnest robot vacuum ever, coming in at just 7.95 centimeters tall. And that's important because a lot of robot vacuums can't clean under a lot of sofas, cabinets, or low furniture. They just avoid those areas entirely. And Dreame solves that with the retractable DTOF navigation sensor. And in open spaces, the sensor stays up and maps normally, but when the robot approaches low furniture, it retracts completely and switches to AI cameras instead. And that's not a gimmick, that's a direct solution to a problem that I see over and over again. Now let's talk about some of the key features that I'm most interested in testing, like the coverage under furniture. Because of that ultra thin design and retractable sensor, this robot should be able to clean areas that most others skip, and that's something I'm paying close attention to, especially under sofas, beds, and because of the midsoles that are still one of the biggest weaknesses in robot vacuums today. Now, another feature that caught my eye is the proactive light dirt detection. And instead of just following a route and assuming that the floor is clean, the X60 actively looks for dirt using infrared detection, and when it sees a mess, it can change how it cleans, switching between sweeping and mopping depending on what's actually on the floor. And in theory, this should help prevent things like spreading wet messes, over mopping dry debris, and missing lighter stains. Now, when it comes to suction and hair handling, with up to 35,000 pascals of suction and Dreame's HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush 2.0, this robot is clearly built with pet hair and long hair in mind. And I've tested plenty of high suction robots that are still clog or tangle over time, so what matters here is not the number, but whether it stays clean and consistent after repeated runs. Next up, we got the obstacle climbing and navigation, and this is one thing that is different here, is the Flexi Adapt obstacle climbing, which allows the robot to clear obstacles up to 8.8 centimeters, because most robots still struggle with door tracks, thick rugs, and uneven transitions, and this one uses sensors to measure the obstacle first and then decides how to cross it. And combined with the AI navigation that recognizes over 280 object types, this should translate into fewer stops and fewer manual rescues. And with the integration of binocular AI and low-light LED assistance, this technology plays a crucial role in enhancing performance, particularly in low-light conditions. And when it comes to the dock and maintenance expectations, the dock is fully hands-off, handling hot water mop washing, hot air drying, auto solution mixing, and auto dust emptying. So in theory, that means very little daily maintenance, which is what most people actually want from a robot vacuum at this level. All right, guys, I got the brand new X60 right in front of me, and as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than normal units. And this thing is very clean. I love the design and the material that they decided to go with. Looks pretty cool. This is a normal robot looking. They didn't do anything different with the design besides making it slimmer so it can fit under the couches and all your furniture. But this is basically the whole entire unit. I'm just gonna show you around real quick. To begin, at the top, what you're gonna have is the tanks. The left one is for the dirty water and the right one is for the clean water. And then we have this small compartment here that once you open it, you're gonna find the filter bag, which you can easily change, detaching it from here. And then on the left side, you're going to find the solutions. This is where you're gonna pour your solutions. The right one is for the pets, and the left side is for the floor cleaning solution. So this is where you pour it, you put it back, and that's basically it. And then this is where it operates. You don't really have to touch any of this. It basically starts everything from the app, which I have right here. I have to remap this, but once you start, and this is my second Dreame, once you start, you can just simply do a quick remapping and make sure that you pick up everything. I'm gonna clean everything in the house so it can map perfectly. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, as we can see, it's done mapping and I have everything selected by room. It did a really good job. I want the study to be first before the master. And that's all you have to do, and then just click select. You can clean by room, by going to room, selecting, let's say, the kitchen, and then clean, and then it's going to start cleaning. You can do Clean Genius, or you can do custom cleaning where you can vacuum. You can vacuum by itself, or if you want to mop, or vacuum and mop at the same time, or if you want to mop and then vacuum. And if you want to do a custom zone, all you have to do is go to zone, put confirm, and then it gives you this small square. So let's say, if I want this small section, I can just draw a small section, and then how many cycles I want, 2 or 3 cycles. Very, very customizable, very easy to use. You have to do just press clean, and then it will take care of everything. So based on what I've seen so far, I think this is best suited for homes with low furniture, pet owners, busy households that want a minimal maintenance, or anybody who's looking to upgrade their previous flagship robot and is clearly not meant to be a budget option, but this is about convenience, coverage, and automation. And after reviewing so many robots over this past year, it's rare to see that one feels like it's actually trying to push past the same old limitations. And the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete isn't just chasing suction numbers, it's addressing access, awareness, and adaptability. So that's about it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in learning more information about Dreame, their products, especially the brand new X60 Max Ultra Complete, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down in the description below, along with the special discount that you can apply at checkout, so you can save some money on the way out if you wanna purchase one of these brand new X60s. Stay tuned for more content, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.